Insurance can be confusing. When an unexpected event happens at your business, do you know which part of your policy is triggered? Do you know where to look? In this blog, you will learn about some key features that make up your commercial policy, so next time you're looking at it, hopefully it will be less confusing. The first thing you're going to come across is the named insured, and this should read as the legal name for your business and means that the business, its owners, and its employees are covered under this policy. Directors and officers that are not employees should have a separate directors and officers policy in order for coverage to be in place. Also, subcontractors are usually not covered under this policy and should carry their own insurance, with you listed as the additional insured. Next, you want to look at the policy term. Usually this is for about a year, and usually there's a minimum retained premium that insurers keep once the policy is bound, meaning that is money that you can't get back if you were to cancel. If you do cancel midterm, you can also expect a short rate penalty to be applied to the premium that is owed to you. Claims made versus occurrence-based policy. A claims-made policy protects you for covered events that are brought forward during the policy period, regardless of when the claim occurs. Many directors and officers and professional errors and omissions policies fall into this category. An occurrence-based policy provides protection for covered events that occur during the policy period, regardless of when the claim is filed. Most property and liability policies fall under this category. The property portion of your policy. This is where all the property that you have insured is listed, so your buildings, equipments, contents. Keep in mind too, on a commercial policy, only the property listed is property that's insured for physical damage, and the limits that are listed on the policy are the maximum amount that you would receive in the case of a loss. You should also pay special attention to the perils or risks that you're insured for. The liability portion. This is where they show the limit for how much you have if somebody were to sue you for bodily injury that they sustained on your property, or for any property damage that you caused to a third party. The last thing that you should look at are the exclusions. On an all-risk policy, everything is included except for the things that are excluded. So the exclusions are important to look at to see what applies to you. I hope this has given you a better understanding of the components of your insurance policy so that next time you have to look at it, it seems a little less confusing. If you'd like more information on this or any of the other topics, please feel free to contact me anytime.